Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. The galley on any ship is a heart of activity, but also a high-risk zone for fires with open flames, hot oils, and powerful electrical equipment, all operating in close proximity. This makes the Galley Fire Suppression System not just a convenience, but an absolute necessity. A swift and automated guardian against one of the most common and dangerous types of onboard emergencies. Unlike cargo holds where carbon dioxide is king, the unique nature of galley fires, particularly those involving cooking oils and fats, requires a specialized approach, which is why most modern ships utilize a wet chemical fire suppression system. This system is meticulously designed to detect and extinguish fires quickly before they can spread to other parts of the vessel. The process begins with heat detectors strategically placed above deep fat fryers, griddle plates, and ovens. These sensors are constantly monitoring the temperature, and when a rapid rise or a set threshold is exceeded, they trigger the entire system. Simultaneously, a pre-discharge alarm will sound, providing a brief but critical warning to anyone in the galley to evacuate immediately. The first action of the system is to automatically shut off the power to all galley appliances, including the electrical supply to the cooking ranges and the fuel supply to gas-operated equipment. This immediately removes the source of ignition and prevents the fire from escalating. Then a special wet chemical agent is discharged through a network of nozzles precisely positioned to cover the entire cooking area, including the exhaust hoods and ducting. This wet chemical agent is a non-toxic, non-corrosive solution that works on multiple levels. Upon contact with the hot oils and fats, it undergoes a chemical reaction called saponification, creating a foam-like blanket that not only smothers the fire by cutting off its oxygen supply, but also cools the burning oils below their ignition point, preventing reflash. This is crucial for Class F fires, those involving cooking oils and fats, where water would only spread the flames. Once the agent has been discharged, the system continues to monitor the area for any signs of reignition. The spent agent is relatively easy to clean up after the emergency is over, minimizing disruption to the ship's operations. Regular inspection and maintenance are vital for these systems. Pressure gauges on the agent cylinders must be checked frequently, and the nozzles must be kept clear of grease and debris. Certified technicians perform annual services, ensuring that the system is fully charged, the detectors are functioning correctly, and the discharge mechanisms are ready to activate at a moment's notice. Drills are also conducted regularly so that the crew understands the proper evacuation procedures and how to reset the system after an incident. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.